Hello, today my name is Murian-Coush Addem. We will do download and install the DaVinci Resolve video cutting program. And one thing you gotta do for that is just being on the download page. It's black the magic design DaVinci Resolve, and you have here the for download button. So multiple option here. We click on the Windows one and then Murian-Coush Addem, yes, like this, Murian-Coush Addem. This is some random data here, but yeah, I don't know. You can put anything you want, and this is the register button here. So you can just download like that, and it will automatically start. But I have already done it, so we can do quicker. For that, you have to boot this out of the zip file. So you need to copy it over. It's almost 3 gigabytes, so could take some while. Um, but yes, so let's just wait for that one to complete. And then we click on the DaVinci Resolve application button, and it will take some time to fetch all the installation file. I will reach back to you when it happened. It's extracting. Maybe take a look at that. Then you click button, and now we are here. We want to install everything of it. All right, DaVinci just put on the next buttons and install. And now we are using here the state-of-the-art DaVinci site. You can use this for video cutting programming, and has pretty good usage in the free version as well. So yeah, should be very nice for you to use. And this is basically all there is to it for the first steps. And I will reach back when it finish and we can open the suite. And then afterward, I will just oh, look at that. Afterward, I will just oh, it already completed. That was fast. So yeah, there it is. The application we can use, we can put to pin to start or pin to the taskbar, but no, this is not the right one. Portal installation. Yes, it already is installed. So DaVinci Resolve should be app. There is it, and this is the right one now. What's new? Continue, and yeah, skip it, and you can start creating your video now. After it has finished the initial loading configuration, is now there have some issues. Oh, NVIDIA driver update configuration. So you have to use here the unclick both option and use the open seal. So this is, I think, the trick about it. Yes, it was the trick. All right, then, guys, thank you for looking, and I will get back to you in the next one. See you.